Hello everyone, let's learn how to add multiple links on Instagram. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding multiple links to your Instagram profile, allowing you to share multiple destinations and resources with your followers. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, make sure is your Instagram app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update app. After that, open Instagram app on your device, and go on your profile by tapping in little icon in bottom right corner of the screen. Now we need to have link you want to add. I will go to copy link of video from my channel. I will speed up this process, because I didn't want to spend your time. When you copy link, you need to click on this button where is written edit profile. Now you see a link field, and going to tap on it. And I already have some links on my profile, as you can see. Then Instagram offers you to add Facebook link and add external link, and you need to click on add external link. Now on URL bar paste link you copied, and on second bar type what you want. And next confirm changes in top right corner, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.